Okay, now we are going to apply slope-intercept form so that we can identify slope and y-intercept in an equation. So if you remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Write that underneath this equation of y equals x plus 3. So our slope is the letter m. And what I need to do in my equation is find out what does the m represent? What number represents m? So I'm looking for the number in front of x. Well, right now I don't see anything, but that doesn't mean it's nothing. It doesn't mean it's 0. You have to ask yourself how many x's are there, and this is that one where there's an invisible 1 there. So that's a 1x. So my slope is really 1. Now if I'm talking about rise over run, it would really be 1 over 1, which just simplifies to 1. My y-intercept then is the b. So I have to look in my equation here, y equals 1x plus 3, and b is 3. So my y-intercept is 3. So what this means is our graph hits at 3 units up on the y-axis, and the slope is rise 1, run 1. Now for example 2, remember slope is m, y-intercept is b. So I have to look at my equation. Y equals negative 3x plus 5. If I replace this and say y equals mx plus b, I know my m is negative 3. That's really negative 3 over 1. To turn any whole number into a fraction, you put it over 1. And my y-intercept is my b. That's my plus 5, or positive 5. And for example 3. Now this one looks a little bit different. My slope is still m, my y-intercept is still b. So I'm going to look, what number is in front of x? What's my coefficient? 1/3. So my slope is rise 1, run 3. That was already made into a fraction for me. And my y-intercept, that should be here after the variable. But I don't see plus anything. There's nothing there. In this case, it's really plus 0. This can be 0. So my y-intercept is 0, which means it goes through the origin on my graph. The y-axis is 0.